Hello, my friends, and welcome to this morning yoga stretch in bed. I personally think stretching is one of the best things you can do in the morning to wake up, so I wanted to share with you a great routine you could do before you roll out of bed in the morning. So when you're ready, meet me in a comfortable lying down position on your bed. Extend your legs out long and reach your arms up overhead. On your next inhale, full body stretch. So reach through your fingertips and your toes, making your body as long as you possibly can. And on your exhale, allow your body to relax and release completely into the bed. We'll do that one more time. Inhale, full body stretch, reaching through the fingers and the toes. And exhale, release. Take both of your knees into your chest. Give them a little squeeze when you get there and start to draw circles around with your hips, just waking up through the low back, giving your body some movement after being still for so many hours. After you've gone in one direction for a few, go and switch the other direction. Keep the right knee where it is. Extend the left leg out long, finding a twist. Take your right knee over to the left side. Open your right arm out, shape of a T, and gaze up and over toward those right fingertips. Breathing into the twist. On your next breath, bring your right knee in through center, give it a little squeeze, and then switch, bringing the left knee into your chest, and then slowly guiding it up and over to the right to come into a twist. Left arm extends out to the side. Take one more full deep breath in. And as you exhale, bring both of your knees into your chest. One final squeeze before rolling onto one side to find a fetal position. Give yourself a moment. And then when you're ready, press your way up into a seated position, extending your legs out long in front of you, sitting up tall through the crown of the head. Begin to point and flex the feet. And while we do this, roll out your wrists. Once you've gone in a few directions with your wrists, go the other way. Making sure you're taking big, deep inhales through the nose and exhales out the mouth. Find some stillness through your feet and your hands. Cross your knees, coming into an all fours position. Stack your shoulders over your wrists, your hips over your knees. We'll start with some hip circles, sitting your hips down and back over to the right, moving them through center, nice and slow, over to the left, and then coming forward. Be slow here. Really exaggerate the movement. And if you haven't already, go ahead and switch and go the other way. Find some stillness. We'll take a few rounds of cat-cow. On your inhale, drop your belly, gaze forward, spread your collarbones. On your exhale, gaze down to the bed, round your back. And take a few rounds like this at your own speed. Take one more round. Find a nice long neutral spine. Then cross your ankles and sit back to find a cross-legged position. When you get there, the crown of the head reaches up to sit up nice and tall. Side bend over to the right. Place your entire right forearm on the bed as you reach your left fingertips up and over. We'll slowly bring our hands out in front of us, almost like the hands of a clock, walking them all the way around over to the left side. Left forearm comes to the bed, right fingertips reach up and over. Take a full deep breath in and a full deep breath out. We'll do that one more time to walk our hands back over to the right. And then slowly reach both fingertips up toward the sky. Before placing your fingertips behind you on the bed to find a chest opener stretch. Open through the chest, the fronts of the shoulders, gaze forward. Taking a full deep breath in and a full deep breath out. Place your hands now on your thighs and real quick, just switch the crossing of your legs. Once again, sitting up tall, bringing your right ear towards your right shoulder, coming into a neck stretch. Play around here with where you gaze. Perhaps you want to gaze down toward the bed a little bit to bring the stretch along the back of your neck. And you can also extend your left fingertips out to the side to deepen the stretch. On your next breath, sit up tall, head comes through center, then left ear to left shoulder. Again, play around with where you're gazing, and perhaps you want to extend your right fingertips out to the side. On your next inhale, sit up tall. Hands come to your knees. We'll take some shoulder rolls. Inhale to squeeze your shoulders up. Exhale, drop them down and back. Taking a few more like that at your own speed. And after you've gone a few in one direction, go and switch the other direction. Find some stillness. We'll end with one full body stretch. Inhale to reach your fingertips up. Exhale, cactus your arms out to the side, opening through the chest one last time. And we are done. Thank you so much for stretching with me this morning. I hope you feel amazing, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.